got enough time to sort out all the fights, to sort out all the lies. Oh baby,
hey guys, so for today's video, I am getting the motivation to clean. It is one of those rainy, cloudy days where all I really want to do is lay on the couch and watch some Netflix. But there's definitely a lot of things I need to do around the house. Jackson's taking a nap, so my plan is to power through and do a power nap or power hour nap time edition video for you guys. I hope this brings you some cleaning motivation for you to tackle anything that is on your to-do list today. I know, especially in the fall time, you get all those cozy vibes, but sometimes we definitely need to just do things and tackle things around the home. So right now I am in our playroom, and you can see we have played hard today. So I am going to pop in some earphones, get to tackling this, and then do various areas around the house. So I hope you guys clean along with me. But real quick, wanted to share, I just got these Power Beats from Amazon, and these are really awesome. So I just ordered these. They were on sale for Amazon Prime Day. If you don't follow me on Instagram, definitely check it out. But I am going to be using these and listening to just different podcasts and stuff. What's really nice is there's no wire attached to it. They charge in their case. There's just like a little port right there that you charge them on, and it's the same kind of cord as charging my iPhone, which is really neat. And then you can use one or both, so I'll probably just use one, so I have one ear out to listen to the baby monitor over there to see when Jackson's awake. But yeah, I will be playing with these and listening with these, and if you're interested, I will link it down below. But let's get tackling my to-do list. So like I said, we are starting off in the upstairs playroom. It is always best to do a good declutter and a cleanup of the playrooms when your toddler isn't always pulling things out. That's like the fun game they like to do, is just like dump everything, as you can see from the instruments right here. So I am taking this opportunity during nap time to clean up everything, to have everything set up and ready for playtime whenever he wakes up and is ready. But I do also still try and have Jackson clean up after we play with something, put it away kind of thing. But this day it just kind of got out of hand, so I had to clean up everything.
Cannot close. Baby, got me breathing now. Breathing now. Took my head out of the sand. We're all in it. Better. Open your eyes, see the open sky.
Next up is our master bathroom counter and mirror. So I'm just trying to tidy everything up, clear off everything so I can give it a good clean.
Never alone. Doesn't matter what they say, doesn't really matter what they do. Baby, got me breathing now. Breathing now. Doesn't matter where I go, heart still open, cannot close. Baby, got me breathing now.
For my mirror, I'm using the Method window cleaner, and I'm also using the Method's bathroom cleaner to do the countertops and sink as well. I'll be honest with y'all, the worst thing or worst room that I hate cleaning the most is the bathrooms. The mirrors, the sink, the toilets, and especially the shower and bathtubs. I don't know why, but it's just the least favorite thing of mine to do for cleaning. Let me know what you guys don't like cleaning the most in the comments down below.
want you close, maybe hold your hand a little while. Somehow I know you're gonna be the girl that I'll end up calling my own. We ride around in style, sleeves rolled up, glasses on, and then you make that smile and my heart starts racing when I'm with you. When I'm with you.
When I clean the bathrooms, I love to refresh my towels. So I'm switching up my hand towels and my bath towels as well. And then now we're going to get into hand washing some of the things I have put off doing, like a kid's face mask. We purchased these kid face masks for Jackson because we noticed more kids are wearing them in our area. Jackson still is not on board on wearing these. If you have a toddler, do your kids wear these? Let me know in the comments.
You got your high heels on, and I'm wearing my worn out jeans. What could go wrong? Sipping on a beer, sing along to our favorite songs. All I want is you. You make my world spin round and round. Sometimes I don't know what to do, 'cause my heart starts racing when I'm with you. Can't get enough of this, being with you, it's like never ending sunshine.
One of Jackson's favorite activities is to jump on mommy and daddy's bed, so I'm just straightening up that area and dusting around the room.
Looking like that, can't get enough of this, being with you is a never-ending sunshine. A never-ending sunshine. You know I want you close, maybe hold your hand a little while. Somehow I know you're gonna be the girl that I'll end up calling my own. Can't get enough of this, being with you is like never-ending sunshine. Feels like everything stops for a while when we look into each other's eyes. I will never let you go.
One of my girlfriends posted this question on Facebook. So which would you choose? Would you rather have 8 hours of uninterrupted sleep every night, your house clean itself, your kids eat everything you serve them without complaining, or someone runs all of your errands? For me, I'd rather my house clean itself. Cleaning definitely takes some time, and like I said, there are definitely rooms and things that are least favorite. So out of all those options, that's what I would choose. What would you choose in the comments?
Oh, would you call me on my sins? You think that you're under my skin.
Now, if you don't have one of these stair baskets, I highly recommend them. I keep mine on the bottoms of my stairs, and anything that needs to go upstairs that I want to bring up in one trip, I throw into this thing. Now, I should bring this basket up more than like once a week like I did here, but it's still good and kind of clusters everything together. So I'm just clearing that out, and my cat found his cat toy in this basket, so I had to share a couple clips of him playing.
Yeah, but they say I don't know where you come from. I don't. You seem too nice to be alone. So lonely. I see you going through some things, and I just wanna help. I don't know how to make it clearer. I just wanna go home alone. I need some time alone.
Lately, I've been really into Bits of Bree's podcast. That's what I'm listening to here. I find it to be so motivating, and I love her topics. I'll go ahead and link her YouTube channel down below for anyone interested. She has some really good content that I think you all would really enjoy.
In someone else's arms, 'cause my heart just broke and I need my time. Wanna speak so loud even though I hide, like I'm hypnotized, can't get out of here. You don't know me, I just need my time.
Okay, I'll let y'all in on a little secret. My biggest pet peeve are the loose hangers throughout the closet. So every now and then I do come through and pull all those and put them all together. I just don't like having the hangers randomly in between the clothes, just flailing all about, and shoes all messed up. So I am fixing everything in this closet, and yes, there are some on my side, but it is majority of my husband's, but it's okay, I love him anyway.
I don't, but you seem too nice to be alone. So lonely. I see you going through some things, and I just wanna help. I don't know how to make it clearer. I just wanna go home. No, 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 no. I need some time. I wanna go home, Lord. I wanna go home. I just wanna go home. No, 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 no. I wanna go home. Some time.
How often do you guys clean and declutter out your closet? I just did a huge big bag, like big trash bag donation to our local Goodwill with some clothes that had tags even still on it. What I try and do every January, you can see some of the hangers here, is face them all kind of in the wrong direction, and then as I wear them, I put them back. So majority of my clothes now I have worn since we're getting into, oh my gosh, November. But I have been doing that. So then at the end of the year, I will look at the things I haven't touched in the year from those hangers, kind of try them on, see if realistically I would wear them. Most likely, probably not, and get rid of them that way. So that's how I kind of maintain my closet. And I'm constantly bringing in new things too with my Amazon obsession and my Lily Pulitzer obsession. But that's kind of how I keep everything under control, and some things I've grown out of. Another thing is we've kind of been in 3 houses, so each time we've moved, I've kind of done declutter then as well. So now I'm gonna go and clean up the downstairs playroom. There was even a flashlight that was still turned on, and just kind of get this sprucened up and ready for Jackson to play with when he wakes up.
You make me breathless, and I won't waste this. And I promise that I will stand by you forever. I can't get you out of my mind. I will follow you wherever, and I won't waste this.
Now, if you're like me, you always have some kind of Amazon package or something by your front door. So I'm just gonna open up my recent purchases. This thing I am so excited about. It is my new steam mop from Bizzle. I'm not sure how you say it. So I'm excited to try this out on a future video for you guys. I got it as an Amazon Prime Day sale. So check out my Instagram to stay up to date with any other sales that I may see that y'all may be interested in, as well as I have it linked in my storefront as well.
I promise that I will stand by you forever, and I won't waste it.
So it has been a little bit over an hour and a half. So what I'm actually gonna do is take the rest of nap time and just chill before I get to the dreaded kitchen, which I will do that after dinner time, but I think it's time for this mama to chill. So if you have been cleaning with me, then thank you so much for watching this video. We definitely did a power hour and some. If you're interested in more cleaning videos, I'll have a couple at the end screen, but I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.
Stumbling out of bed, and I still got you in my head. From all those pretty words you said, it's like I'm wasted. Every time I see your face, I'm losing track of time and space. I don't know where I am, it's like I'm wasted, and I won't waste it.